Product information. To recap, you've registered on our platform, logged in successfully, and learned how to invite colleagues, registered veterinarians, and data administrators to the site. We've also discussed registering the manufacturing sites. Now, we're going to move on to the dashboard, which will show information about the products. On the dashboard, go to the Products section. For our example, we'll use a demo product. You can choose to list all the products, whether they belong to your site or another. You can select the manufacturer. Usually you'll have just one to choose from, as well as the relevant site. You can filter by GEFs or non-GEFs, or by status, whether the product is active, delisted, or suspended. Here, you'll see product codes and EAN numbers, which are always allocated by the retailer. You'll also see the valid dates of when the last support attestation was produced and the batch range likely to be supplied for export. These can be searched and ordered by the controls here. Let's click on the product details. For each product, you'll see information like the product code, EAN number, and platform. For some retailers, they will populate this data, but for others, you'll need to allocate which site or export depot will be used. You'll know the typical depot for exporting frozen or chilled products, and when you scroll down, you'll see those details. As the manufacturer, your name will be listed. If the product is going to a GEFS depot or non-GEFS site, you may see slight variations in the support attestation documents produced. Note that you cannot change the product code or EAN numbers, as these are set by the retailer. Another required feature is to add product images. There are 3 types of images needed. A photo of the actual product with retail packaging. A photograph of the ID or health mark, if applicable. A photo of the actual ingredients. Here is the supporting evidence section, where you can click to upload supporting information, which may be required for certain export products. You will be informed of what information is needed. You do not need to upload your own version of the support attestations. The system will generate the support attestations required by the retailer or certifying officer to produce export health certificates. So please don't upload support attestations you've produced for other clients, as these documents must be specific to this system. To summarize, first upload the images, check the summaries, and then proceed to add the product details.